Welcome back. This Anuvaka tells us how our mind can control the nature. We had many rishis. Among them, Vatsa Rishi was so powerful. He could cause even rainfall, parjanya, with his recital of proper mantras. What does it mean? Can sound waves be so potent to cause rainfall? You can take a current day example. When a supersonic jet flies, the glass in your house breaks. It is shattered. And when we tried our supersonic aircraft for the first time, there were many casualties. Even now, you can hear the supersonic boom, but not see the aircraft. And in many airports, the current discussion is, are the sound waves caused by the jet engines and the propellers harmful to the human beings staying around the airport and working in the airport? If we know the negatives of these sound waves, think positively. Can we not influence nature in a positive manner with our mantras? Yes, we can. And that has been illustrated in our Vedic writings, Vedas, explicitly. In the Puranas, which are based on the Vedas, there are many instances which say that the nature was influenced with rainfall by the rishis chanting proper mantras. In another manner, if we look at that, it means that with a positive mind and a positive attitude, we can influence our nature and make it beneficial to man and avoid all the hurricanes and floods and the havocs that we know of today. So have a positive mind, and then collectively we can control the nature. Vedas give importance to hard work. In the next Anuvaka, we pray for the capability for doing hard work. So stay tuned and kindly subscribe to this channel. Thank you.